Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great project to work on today. Now, as you know, we've used the House of Color candy concentrates on a ton of different projects already. And most of the time we use them as instructed. We mix them into a clear and apply them over a metallic base. We have used them to try to enhance pearls, and that worked pretty darn well. The one thing we haven't done that I've been waiting to try is to try to use a candy concentrate to enhance an already tinted colored peelable paint gallon. So here's what we're doing today. I'm really excited about this. We've got the tangerine variant of the candy concentrate, one that we really haven't used very much, but has a lot of potential. And what I want to mix it into is the Lava Performance Series. Lava is like a reddish orange, metallic, fiery color. I'm thinking the tangerine going into the lava can really enhance it, take it to the next level. Am I right or wrong? One way to find out. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, going into this, I knew that adding the candy concentrate into the lava wasn't going to make a world of difference, but what I was hoping for was a color enhancement. And I think that's exactly what we got. Next to lava on its own, the color on this car is definitely deeper, definitely more saturated, and oddly enough, seems to have a higher sheen. Not only are we going to take the car outside so you can see it yourself, I'll show you two speed shapes of lava on its own and lava with the tangerine candy concentrate so you guys can decide. After you take a look at everything, leave a comment below and let me know if you think it was worth it. Did the candy concentrate enhance the lava enough? And I think we try this again. Next time, maybe we do it with a PDS gallon and a candy concentrate that are a little bit more different to see if we can get a bigger, bolder effect. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have tons of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great project today. Now, as you know, we've used the House of Color candy concentrates on lots of different projects. And the way we've used them for the majority of projects is we've mixed them into clear, as they're designed to do, and applied them over a metallic or pearl base. One time or two times, I don't know what I'm talking about.